JNCO gifted me a huge package. Wait a minute. Hold up. So you don't even skate and you have 4,000 subscribers and JNCO sponsored you? Okay, let me explain. 5 months ago, I purchased my first pair of JNCO jeans from their website. These right here, the Twin Cannon Classics 26-inch in the antique wash. When I received them, I made a YouTube video about them, and it's now my most viewed YouTube video with 10k views. But I also wore them in so many of my TikToks and Instagram reels. If I were to guess, I probably wore them in around 100 videos or something. And in basically every single one of those videos, someone asked, yo, what jeans are those? And I responded, which basically means free advertising for them. And I guess that someone on the JNCO team noticed what I was doing, because they actually reached out to me. I didn't even reach out to them. And we talked a bit back and forth, and I got to pick out some garments I liked, and we agreed on a marketing plan for me, for what I have to do in return. And here we are. So yeah, let's go unbox the package and see what they sent me. Oh, there's so much stuff here. I believe there's 3 jeans and 1 pair of shorts here. This is absolutely insane. Let's try them on. I'm going to try these on from least to most baggy. So let's start with the shorts. These shorts are called the Workman Carpenter 14-inch in the vintage wash. Look how cool these are. For size reference, I'm 184 centimeters tall and I weigh 78 kilos, and I got a size 32 waist for these. Next up, we have the Twin Cannon Classics 26-inch in the dark stone wash. Let's try them on. These are the same model as the ones I actually bought myself, just in a different colorway. So I already knew I was gonna love the fit of these, and I do. For size reference on these and the 2 other pants I'm gonna show you next, they are all a 32 inseam and 32 waist. So this is how the Twin Cannons fit. So sick. Next up, we have another pair, which is called Rollin JNCO Roots 26-inch in the vintage wash. The detailing on the leg down there is just too good. And also these fit exactly the same as the previous ones. Very nice. Lastly, we have this pair here. And if you thought that the last 2 pairs were big, these are even bigger. These are the JNCO Roots Battle in a 30-inch opening, and the wash is called Dark Stone. These are crazy. Can't even see my shoes, bruh. Wow. I've also been given a discount code to share with you guys, which is August 15. If you use that, you'll get 15% off your order. There are so many cool designs to choose from, and it will help me out a lot if you bought something with my code. And yeah, that's basically it. Again, thank you so much, JNCO. And yeah, bye.